everybody and welcome back to Relax My Dog. Today me and Milo are going to be talking about how to care for newborn puppies. So let's get started. So during the first few weeks of life for a puppy, the most important thing to them is being fed, keeping warm and also developing their social skills as well. So firstly, we're going to be talking about feeding for your newborn puppies. So a mother's dog milk provides everything that the puppies need for their first 4 weeks of life, and puppies will be fed once every 2 hours within their first week. And obviously as the puppies grow, these intervals of feeding will obviously get longer and larger, meaning that they won't be fed as often, but still obviously on the puppies they do get fed quite a lot. And obviously they might be different circumstances, whether your puppies are an orphan or if the mother of the puppies are completely out of the picture. If this is the case, definitely consult your vet for any guidance that they may need, because obviously the puppies need to be getting as much nutrients as they can get. As it's also important to note that you can actually harm the puppies if you do try to feed them, so make sure you're consulting your vet to find out the exact proper way on how you should be doing this, because it is very easy to harm them at that stage. And they can usually make this transition from nursing to solid food after 4 weeks of life. So now that we've moved on from feeding, we can now move back on to the dogs keeping warm. So the combination of their mother's body heat, their mother's milk, and also using blankets where they sleep, this combination should be enough to keep your puppies warm. However, if you do feel that the puppies aren't warm enough, make sure you're using a hot water bottle filled with warm water, not really hot, just warm water, or a heating pad set to a low temperature to keep the puppies warm, because obviously puppies at that age can develop hypothermia extremely quick and extremely easily, so it's important to keep them warm. So moving on from feeding your dogs and also keeping your puppies warm, it is also important for your dogs to develop these social skills within your house. Now during the first 2 weeks of your puppy's life, try to keep the handling of the puppies to a minimum. You want the puppy to be developing that relationship with their mother and also with their brothers and sisters as well. You may notice that the mother will keep a very strong eye on the puppies, so it's important to let them develop this relationship and to bond properly. As well as creating that relationship with the mother, they also need to create that relationship with their brothers and sisters as well, so letting them have their own space, their own time is extremely key at this time of their life. Now moving on to vet visits. Now assuming that your puppies are healthy, vets don't recommend bringing the puppies in until they're about 6 weeks old. Obviously if your puppies are showing any signs of not being healthy or having issues, do take them into the vet as soon as possible. Some signs that you should look out for with your puppies are a lack of appetite, poor weight gain and also vomiting as well. You should also look out for diarrhea, coughing or wheezing, and also difficulty breathing, as well as constant crying, pale gums. Obviously if one of your puppies is acting a little bit strange or not like the other puppies, it may be important to ask for some guidance from a vet or have a look online or what this may mean. And that is it for this week's video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Are you tired? I'm tired. Also don't forget to comment down below if you have any video suggestions or if you want to let us know how well behaved Milo is. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell as well to be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. And me and Milo will see you next week for next week's video. Bye!